In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Beehiiv newsletters effortlessly in just a few simple steps. Beehiiv is a powerful platform for newsletter creation and management, and navigating it efficiently can make a world of difference in managing your communications. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, this guide is designed to help you access your newsletters with ease and clarity. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Beehiiv website. Once there, the next step is to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you will find the login button. A quick click on this will take you to the sign in page. Now, if you have a Google account, this next bit is quite straightforward. Simply choose the option to sign in with Google. This feature not only streamlines the login process, but also enhances security, ensuring your Beehiiv account remains protected under Google's robust security protocols. Once you're signed in, you're ready to dive deeper into your Beehiiv account. Look for the Settings tab, which should be clearly visible on your screen. Clicking on it will open up a menu where you manage various aspects of your newsletter publishing. In the Settings menu, find and click on Overview. This section acts as a dashboard, providing a comprehensive glimpse into your account and publications. It's a great way to get organized and stay on top of your newsletter game. Finally, to truly see all that Beehiiv offers, navigate over to the All Publications section. This is where the magic happens, where all your crafted newsletters are stored and displayed. Here you'll have the opportunity to view, edit and manage each piece of content you've carefully created. It's a central hub for all your newsletter activities and an invaluable resource for maintaining your communication strategy without a hiccup. By following these steps, you'll have full access to your Beehiiv newsletters in no time. Remember, familiarity with these basic navigational strategies can significantly improve your productivity and enhance your experience on the platform. By leveraging tools like Beehiiv, you can keep your audience informed and engaged with minimal hassle. And there you have it. Now you know how to access your newsletters on Beehiiv efficiently. Whether you're sending out a weekly digest or promotional content, having control over your publishing process is key. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy newsletter creating!